Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be discussing how to run cross tabulations and perform certain tests such as Fisher's exact t-test and then chi-square using SPSS. Now the first thing you do is to select Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and then Crosstabs. And then you select the variables you want to work with. So I will select Gender Category, put that one at the row section, select GPA category and put that one at this section. Then on the right hand side is where the Fisher's exact t-test and then the chi-square test comes into play. For the Fisher's exact t-test, you select exact. We have the asymptomatic only, the Monte Carlo and the exact. So you select the exact and then select continue. Then you come to the statistics option, click on it, and then choose chi-square. Now there are other tests of association you can perform. We have correlations, we have associations for nominal variables, for ordinal, for nominal by interval. For the purposes of this study, we are choosing chi-square, but I will have a separate series on each of the tests here, what they mean and how to use them. So you select continue, and then there is an option to display clustered bar charts of the cross tabulations, but for the purpose of this video I will not tick that box. And then the next thing is to select or click OK. On the output, the first thing you will see is a summary of the analysis that you've just run, and then the next is a table of the cross tabulation. From the table, you can now infer that the frequency of males who had GPA of 3.0 to 3.5 is 8, and the frequency for females who had 3.6 to 4.9 is 11. So this is how the cross tabulation table is explained or is interpreted. You have the frequencies of the gender category against the frequencies of the GPA category, each subcategory under that variable against each subcategory of the other variable. The next table is the tests that we run, the chi-square tests, the test of association. So you realize that the Pearson chi-square test is here, and then the Fisher-Freeman-Houghton exact test is also here. So we check the p-values of the tests that we've run, and we realize that for Pearson chi-square is 0.989, and for Fisher-Freeman-Houghton exact test is 1.000. So here we will now say that because the p-value is greater than 0.05, there is no association. So there is no association between being a male or a female and then the GPA category you fall into. That's basically what it means. That's how we interpret the cross tabulation table and then the chi-square test table, the Pearson chi-square and the Fisher-Freeman-Houghton exact test. In our next set of videos, or in our next series of videos, we will go through the test of association individually and then understand what they are used for and how they can be used in a data set. If you found this video helpful, click on the like button, subscribe and share for others to learn. Thank you and catch you on the next one.